In this video, I'll show you how to recommend products that match multiple criteria in your quiz using a product matrix inside the RevenueHunt app. Let's say you have a product matrix like this. Your recommendations depend on two factors: the customer's age, for example, teens or adults, and their skin type, dry, normal, or oily. The idea is simple. If a user selects that they're in their 30s and have oily skin, they should see one set of products. But if they're a teenager with oily skin, they should see a completely different set. So how do we set this up correctly in the RevenueHunt app? Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Create your quiz and add the questions. Start by opening the RevenueHunt Quizzes app and either create a new quiz or open an existing one. In this example, our quiz includes two questions. A question about age, with two choices: teens and 20s or 30s and above. A question about skin type, with three choices: dry, normal, and oily. These will serve as the inputs for your product matrix. Step 2. Create Shopify collections that match your matrix. Before linking products, it's easiest to first create Shopify collections that correspond to each category in your matrix. In this example, we'll need 4 collections: teens and 20s, 30s and above, dry normal skin, oily skin. To create them, go to your Shopify admin, Products, Collections, Create Collection. Give each one a clear name, then add the appropriate products from your store that fit that group. You can select them manually or use automated conditions to include products by tag, title, or price range. Once all collections are ready, head back to your quiz. Step 3. Link collections to quiz choices. Open the quiz builder, go to your questions, and expand the first question. For example, the age question. Click on each choice, open its settings, and look for the upvote option. Choose Collections, and then select the corresponding Shopify collection for that choice. Then do the same for the skin type question. Link each choice to its matching collection, like dry/normal skin or oily skin. When you're done, click Save at the top right. Step 4. Add a product block to your results page. Next, go to the results page section. If there isn't already a product block, click Add Block, Products. In the product block settings, you can also adjust the maximum number of recommended products. For example, set it to 4 if your matrix allows 4 results. Make sure the recommendation system is set to Based on Customer Responses. This tells the quiz to display products linked to the choices the customer selected. Click Save again when you're done. Step 5. Preview and test. Now it's time to test. Click Preview, take the quiz, and try different answer combinations. For example, if you choose 30 and above and oily skin, you should see the corresponding products from your matrix. If you choose teens and 20s and dry skin, the results should change accordingly. And that's it. That's how you can set up product recommendations based on a product matrix. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.